Hi, today we will talk about how to protect sensitive data when aggregated with other data. Secure work breakdown structures WBS and purchase order PO when aggregated to prevent exposure using dynamic data filtering. A WPS element aggregated with PO is a sensitive procurement document which should only be accessible to authorized users. DAE automates policies and procedures to filter and mask confidential WPS element with PO based on need-to-know clearance. Policies are applied dynamically during data access, ensuring immediate update take effect. In certain business requirements, specific data is not sensitive on its own. However, when aggregated with other data, classification level need to be elevated because the data is more sensitive now, and therefore it needs to be protected. In this use case, a WPS element is not sensitive on its own. However, when aggregated along with the purchase order PO, it's become more sensitive. To demonstrate this, two users have been considered. Demo user 1 has security clearance, so this user has no restrictions on accessing any data. However, demo user 2 doesn't have security clearance, and so this user is allowed to view the equipment data that is assigned to WPS element, but cannot view the purchase order when assigned to the WPS element. Now let's go to SAP system for demonstration. When demo user 1, who is an authorized user, try to view an equipment which has a WPS element assignment. This user is able to view the data. Now, an authorized user, demo user 2, try to view the same equipment which has a WPS element assignment. As the data is not restricted, the user is able to view it. Moving on, as demo user 1 is the authorized user, this user is able to view any data. In this case, when WPS is assigned to a purchase order, PO, this user is able to view the purchase order. When demo user 2, unauthorized users, try to access the same purchase order. Access is restricted. Such restrictions can be achieved using NextLabs dynamic filtering policies with zero code involved. Let's look into the policy. In these policies, there are three main components. Subject component allows us to specify which group of users are allowed or not allowed to view the data. In this case, any user who does not have clearance are not allowed to view the data. The second important component is the resource component, which specifies the system name where the policy should be. In effect, policy works directly on these tables and fields. Table names are provided in the resource component if data need to be printed out. The third important component is the obligations component, which tells us where source of restrictions can be achieved. For example, masking of a field or filtering a record. As the filtering use case is used here, predicate condition is chosen. Predicate conditions consist of SQL statements that block the user from giving any sensitive data. This wraps up this demonstration's videos on how to protect sensitive data when aggregated with other data. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to NextLabs channel, and stay tuned for more data-centric security videos.